Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the handbag I was talking to you guys about when I did my TJMaxx, when I took you guys to TJMaxx few days, like the video uploaded few days back. So I ended up buying a bag. So let me show you that. And it is, I don't know if the TJMaxx and Marshalls are closed now, because I saw some email from their main company or something that they were going to be closing for a few days. So I don't know if they're closed now because I haven't gone out at all. Today I'm going to show you the handbag. This is a new handbag though. So this I got that day when I went, and I don't know why I got, because I am not like a fan of like the metallic bags. It's like so metallic and multicolor. What attracted to me was this thing here, guys. It kind of gave me that Gucci feel when I saw this. Is that Gucci that has like this kind of logo? Yeah, I think it's Gucci feel, and that's why I liked it. And it's like multicolor, so it has like all this, and because of this, actually first time today I have green eyeshadow on today. I've not tried green eyeshadow at all, and today I have that on. I have used this green here. I did my whole eyeshadow with this today. I used the green, and then I used the black. I didn't know what goes well with green. I used the black on the side, on the crease, and I used the golden in the middle here, and under my eyes I used the golden color. So I kind of did this greenish goldenish color. Let's go back to the bag, guys. So let me show you what it is, because I've never heard of this brand. It's like it's not from here. I guess it's like it says London, so it's from there. Geiger. I don't know how you say it. Kurt Geiger or Kurt Geiger, Geiger. So London, Kurt Geiger London. That's what it says here. But I really loved this. I don't know if this. What is this? I think it's an eagle. Yeah, I think it's an eagle. It looks so beautiful. It has like stones, like this kind of yellow kind of stones on it. So that really attracted me. And this is actually a belt bag. It also has this small handle, so that's what I was like, okay, then that means I can use it. Like I can use it like this. I'm never going to use it as a belt bag for sure, but I can just use it as a handbag like this, like, you know, like on the arms like that. So let's open it up. And it's really nice leather, like it's really soft. So I don't know whether I have to like keep it, but I also like that it's multicolor. It's like it has this golden, this light, you know, green, and then this green here, like a different kind of green, like, yeah, and then this, like, you know, that bronzy kind of color with orange, and then there's some matte colors in the back. This, yeah, only this color is matte. So if you open it up, and I like this one actually. And it's light also. It's not like heavy. This chain is not like heavy. So it's goes like that. So it has this thing. So you can even remove this. So if you use it as a belt bag, I guess you can just take this off and use it as a belt bag. So in the inside, and it has this closing, which is not like, I don't like this closing actually that much, but that's okay. At least I've given two of them, two magnetic closures here like that, right? And then you open it like that, and I would see lot of damage happening here. I don't know, so I'm still thinking what to do. So let me show you inside. And the belt, it also has a belt. That's the belt I was talking about. So that is the belt. So you can see that it is not like the typical, it's not like the typical brown. It's like this dark, like burnt orange color. So it's the same color as this bag, with color it has here, it has in the back. So the same color belt. So it's like pretty cute. I'll show it of like wearing the belt after some time. I mean, I'm not going to ever wear it like that, but I'll show you guys how it looks. So let's see inside. And oh, what is it called? Okay, I didn't even see, I just bought it, but here it has this thing that says the name. So it's Geiger London. Okay, hold on, if you're able to see it. Geiger London. And inside, and it says it is, what does it say? Okay, it is small. It says SM, small Kensington belt bag. So small Kensington belt bag, and it is in gold comb. Comb means, I guess I'm thinking it's combination, COMB, comb, gold comb. So gold combination, I guess, leather bag. I've also given this bag for keeping the bag in, so you can see the name here actually properly. So it's Geiger London. So this is the bag to keep that, and that's it. So it's just like, you know, nothing inside. There is no zip pocket and no pockets inside. So there it says Kurt Geiger London, I am leather bag. I am leather. Yeah, I am leather. So it's just plain black. It's not plain, it's written Kurt Geiger inside. It has that print, Kurt Geiger London print or everywhere inside. Like, you know, the way you have the Coach logo printed inside, that's the same way. There is the printing inside, wordings everywhere. So it's cute though. I think it'll look nice with black, plain black outfits. So this is how it would look if you actually wear it like that, like, you know, on your arms, right? So that's how it would like kind of look if you wear it like on the arms. But this is like I'm doing it without the belt. Without the belt it would look that way. See, that's how it looks. So if you wear it and if you don't want this, you can, this is not heavy though, but you can take this off, and so it would just like look like that, right? So this is cool too actually. You can open up like that, take it, but I guess everybody will be looking at you, it's just so colorful. And I forgot to tell you the price. It was $39.99. $39.99. So let me actually Google it and see how much it would retail for, right? Let me see if I can even find that bag. And I actually found it on what is this? The Nordstrom Rack website. It says KG by Kurt. It's the exact same bag. I think it's the exact same bag. Yes, it's the exact same bag, and it says it was available. Okay, wait, let me show you guys. Trying to like make it bigger. See that, guys? It's like the exact same bag, and it says it is $150, or it was $150, and now it is on sale, 65% on sale for $52.48. So if you guys like this, you can go check out the Nordstrom Rack. But actually it's right now it says sold out. The gold combination one, it says that it is sold out. So it is like 52. So I still got it less than that. So I still got it for $40, which I mean, I guess with tax you can take it as 45. So I still got it for less. So let me know, guys, if you liked this, like you think like I should keep it or return it. Now that I see that on Nordstrom Rack also it's more, I feel like I want to keep it. So it's actually retailed for $150. So so not bad. Just like the style is so good. And if it didn't have this, I would never have bought it. But because it had this, that's the reason I bought it, because I thought like you can kind of you know, like dress it up like with a plain dress. You know, you can kind of wear like something like this, and it'll make it like look really very nice, like a party, you know, for parties and stuff. So that's why I liked it. I think even with like a white dress, I'm like without the belt, I'm talking about without the belt, I would like, I think, wear it without the belt. I mean, nobody's going to like see how it looks here, because this also in the back looks like a design, so it's fine. So I think that's how I would wear it. So I really liked it. Overall, like being inside, being creative, like in the house, and cleaning up more, cooking more. So I guess if you can take it in a positive way, you're at least with your family more right now, spending more time with your family. So just stay in and stay safe, until and unless you really need to go out. Like I really need to go out to get some things, but I'm like kind of waiting on it. Also, like you guys know, I did previous like videos. I told you I'm doing a giveaway, so I'm just showing you the giveaway items again here. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is the giveaway stuff I have for you guys. So this is the elf 11-piece silver set, brush set, and this mascara. And this mascara, like I guess that's the one I'm wearing right now, not yours, mine. Let me show you mine, that way you don't like think like I'm sending the same. So this is mine. So I got two from Ulta. So this one is the one I'm using, and that is what I have on my eyes today. And let me give you a close-up. It's really nice. Look. And also remember that none of my videos, I never use like the, what is that called, the lash curler. I never use it. I have one, but I'm so scared to use it that I don't know, I don't want to use it. I feel like I might lose my lashes when I try to get it in like this. I hate anything near my eyes, so that's why I never use it. So I am, every time you see in my video any what is this called, mascara I have on, is without the eye curling and all that. So if you see any kind of like twist or anything, that's just the mascara doing it, and my technique, the way I put it, that's all. So this is what I have on my eyes today, and it's really good. So that is what you guys are getting, guys. Here, this is the other one that I had, so I don't need two of those, so that's why I thought I will send you guys this one, and this is mine. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay inside with your family, don't entertain anybody, any visitors, and you don't go visit others, at least for some time. Just if that is the only thing we have to do to fight this, then I guess it's the easiest thing that we all can do. So let's do that. So anyway, stay safe, just stay inside. That's the best solution for now. So, and I will keep doing my, whenever I get time, I'm going to keep doing my handbag videos. So keep watching my channel. Lot of handbags videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can win the giveaway. And like I said, I have given 2 or 3 weeks for that, so I will post the winner name after that. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.